got a dog. Thank you, Mom. I got a kennel. I'll take very good care of her, Mom.
Do you love it?
Yes.
It's a boy.
I'm gonna call her.
No.
Welcome to today's Puppy Surprise Moments. Get ready for a heartwarming journey full of laughs, happy tears, and unforgettable puppy magic. If these little furballs make you smile, don't forget to like, share, and leave us a comment telling us which puppy stole your heart.
Just put it down.
Okay.
How about it? It's Pugsley.
Do you know who that is?
That's Amber.
Ella? What box?
Are these the dogs?
Yeah.
They feel so sweaty.
I know. It's a doggy, baby.
They're doggies.
You want to let them out? Well, they need to go potty.
I see that smile on your face. Don't you wish
What
you
is
had a
that?
best friend like these kids?
What is that?
Sometimes,
dog.
the greatest friend you'll ever have doesn't speak a single word.
Oh my god, Mom. You got a dog. Thank you, Mom. I got a kennel. I'll take very good care of her, Mom.
Do you love it?
Yes.
It's a boy.
I'm gonna call her.
No, I think we're calling him Amigo.
Amigo?
Remember how I said we were calling a dog
I'm
Amigo?
gonna call him Amigo. Mom! I can't.
He doesn't make you so fucking. She's already naming it. Shut up, bro. You're so loud.
Pode abrir o presente.
Olha que lindo, filha. E adivinha qual que é a raça dele? Sim.
He kept asking, is this real? Or am I still dreaming?
Shut up. Shut up. It's not real. This is not real. Wait, this starts? Yeah. Stop. It starts is true? Yeah. No way! You got a dog! What the hell?
Go and tell her then. Come on.
Oh, baby. What kind of dog is he? He's a cockapoo.
They thought it was just a stuffed dog. Then Mom said, close your eyes.
Is it so cute or what?
All right, hold it.
Hold it. Guys, be thin.
Have you actually been to the convention or not?
No, we went and got Finn. What do you think?
Is he cute?
Do you love him? He's our new dog.
No. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Kids need a best friend, right? Of course they do. And a dog might just be the best one, bringing more joy, more laughter, and even teaching responsibility. What do you think?
Chippy! Hi, Chippy. Let's go to tea. Chippy. Oh. Not your fault. Chip. Ah! Ой.
Візуються до других дітей. Гуляють, да? Принцеска, лягай. Лягай, бери красиво. Ушки так от піднімай, ось така голова у нас красива, така у нас башка красива. Нам скоро вже 3 місяці, да? Ми вже такі от дорослі.
Nothing heals a long day faster than a four-legged welcome home.
Ale cię kocha. O que vocês estão aprontando?
Eu acho que eu tô mais feliz do que ele.
É o quê?
É pra você, assim.
É pra gente?
Ai, gente. Não é pra de cachorrinho. É quente, né?
Não, achei que tinha assim, fio, ué. Não tem que fascinar. Не вылезет никто? Ты что, прикалываешься? Это что такое? Это что такое? Это что такое? Ты что?
Твой шпиц. Her eyes are so cute. They're so precious. Oh, you good girl.
Whoa, buddy, now that was an entrance.
Getting our puppy today. My firstborn daughter.
Mom said, "We don't need a dog." 5 minutes later, and she forgot who said it.
Ба, на.
Отстань, тебе сказала. Отстань. Я тебе говорила. Принес он. Забирайся. Иди за мной.
Hey.
What are you doing? What's going on?
What?
What are you doing?
What are y'all doing?
You alright?
Yeah, I just
What
got
is
this
that?
weird thing on my chest.
Stop.
Kaka!
Oh,
my.
gosh. What is that?
Is that a puppy?
Is this yours?
This is mine.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. Trudy
Is this
got
a prank?
Is this a boy or a
Trudy's.
girl?
This is Trudy's brother.
Are you
It's a
serious
boy?
right now?
No way.
You wanna
Hold
hold
on,
him?
I want to see him.
Oh, look at him.
So tiny. This is Opie.
Opie. Hey, buddy. Oh, my word.
Ay, Dios mío, ese bebé.
Do you believe a dog's love can outlive its owner? Before you answer, listen to this story. It might make you laugh at first, but by the end, you may need a tissue. If it touches your heart, leave your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe a dog's love can outlive its owner? Before you answer, let me tell you a true family story. The woman in this story wasn't just my grandmother's sister. She was the heart of an entire family. She had 3 sons. The oldest had already moved out, while the younger 2 lived with her. One had 3 children, the other had 8. Imagine that! 13 grandchildren under one family. She managed the household finances, made every important decision, and somehow kept everyone together. What amazes me most is that both of her sons were respected community leaders. They were successful, experienced men. Yet whenever they spoke to her, it was always with complete respect. No arguments, no family feuds, no resentment. Even today, I still can't explain how she did it. She never shouted. She never ruled with fear. Maybe she was simply so fair, so kind, that everyone trusted her. In 1983, at the age of 93, she knew her time was coming. Before she passed away, she built 2 new houses so her sons could each have a home. She even decided who would inherit the old family house. There wasn't a single complaint. But then, she said something no one expected. She looked at her sons and quietly said, "After I'm gone, the black dog will die too. When that happens, bury him." Everyone thought she was simply worried about an old dog. That black dog had lived with the family for more than 14 years. It wasn't just a pet anymore. It belonged to everyone. Then, she passed away. From that day on, the dog wandered through the yard searching for her. It sat outside her room for hours. People said tears rolled from its eyes. Day after day, it ate less. It became weaker. It stopped caring about anything except waiting. About 3 months later, It quietly lay down and never woke up again, just as she had predicted. My uncle buried him beneath a starfruit tree, exactly as she had asked. His bones are probably still resting there today. Some people say dogs don't understand death. Maybe they're right. Or maybe love doesn't need words. It only needs someone worth waiting for. If this story touched your heart, tell me in the comments. Do you believe a dog can literally die of a broken heart?